I came to Dr. Cortese many years ago and I needed quite extensive dental work. I've had crowns done, I've had dental implants, and a number of root canals. And I think one of the first things that I noticed about Dr. Cortese was his compassion in dealing with patients. He was very calm and soothing and explained to me all of the procedures that I needed to have done. And what he did was to make out a plan for my dental care. And I think that what he did that no other dentist has ever done is to create a team for me. And that was very helpful, so that I had not only an endodontist and an oral surgeon, but I also had Dr. Cortese in communication with them about my care. I've recommended two very close friends of mine to Dr. Cortese, and they're both patients of his. And both of them are very happy with the service and the professional care that they receive from him and his staff.